Hi, I'm back for day two, and I wanted to thank Angel Perez, God send me an angel. So it's been 5 months since you went away. You left without a word, nothing to say. When I was the one who gave you my heart and soul, but it wasn't good enough for you. No, no. So I asked God, God send me an angel from the heavens above. Send me an angel to heal my broken heart for being in love. 'Cause all I do is cry. That's me an angel, you wipe the tears from my eyes. And I know it might sound crazy, but after all, I still love you. You wanna come back in my life when there's something that I had to do. I had to tell the ones that I once adored that they can't have my love no more. And my heart can't take no more lies, and my eyes are all out of cries. So God sent me an angel from the heavens above. Send me an angel to heal my broken heart from being in love. 'Cause all I do is cry. Send me an angel to wipe the tears from my eyes.